VS Code extensions to boost your productivity. The following are the top 9 VS Code extensions to help you do work faster. 1. Swim. Document complex flows spanning multiple files and repos with rich content that interact with the code and automatically updates as you make changes. 2. Thunder Client. Thunder Client is a lightweight REST API client extension for Visual Studio Code with simple and easy-to-use UI. 3. Markdown All-in-One. A useful tool for anyone who works with lots of Markdown and VS Code. It makes it easier and faster to create and edit Markdown documents, helping you to be more productive and efficient. 4. Better Comments. With this extension, you will be able to categorize your annotations into alerts, queries, to-dos, highlights, and more. 5. Bookmarks. The Bookmarks extension helps you to navigate your code, moving between important positions easily and quickly. 6. Project Manager. The Project Manager helps you to easily access your projects, no matter where they are located. Don't miss those important projects anymore. 7. Image Optimizer. Adds a right-click menu to any folder in Image in Solution Explorer that lets you automatically optimize all PNG, GIF, and JPEG files in that folder. 8. Placeholder Images. Generate and insert placeholder images into your HTML and Visual Studio Code using various third-party services like Unsplash, Lorem Flickr, and more. 9. Policode. Policode is an extension of VS Code, which can take screenshots of your code. Happy working! In the description below, you will find all links. Thank you for watching this video. I look forward to seeing you at the next one.